My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Roman for that video where Mazi Kanu Takanu do, I want to first of all make Mazi Kanu Takanu to understand that Biafra struggle is not a family business. Biafra struggle is not a family business. For the fact that our supreme leader, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been there, he has spent a lot of sacrifice, which all of us acknowledge, and that is why we are solidly behind him, even in time of pain or sorrow. We are always there. That is why we deal with him like this, and we anything happen to our leader, now we know it happen to. I was so ashamed and so disappointed when I see Mazi Kanu Takanu come outside in this critical time. You know, even they address the issue of his brother being in the DSS custody, rather he was there talking about money. And I want to ask Mazi Kanu Takanu, before our supreme leader was kidnapped by the DSS, I don't remember where our supreme leader let you, when you come make Biafrans or let Biafran know, say, you Kanu Takanu, say you get one position where you they occupy in that place, in as far as say IPOB, the state actor for the Biafra restoration is concerned. He never told us that you have any position that you are occupying, or if any critical time like this, that we should come and seek for your opinion. But I saw the video you made as if you are taking the place of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Meanwhile, before his disappearance, he never make us to understand that you, Kanu Takanuta, is going to take after him. And at this critical time like this, we expect you to be more concerned and more worried about the release of our supreme leader. But now the reverse case, now they see for that place. All you are busy about is about money. All you are busy about is about accounts. All you are busy about is about who the money go there with, all the money don't go there with. All you are busy defending an individual in that place. When I came out, the video I did that went viral, that some people were calling me, if I don't do this, if I don't do that, if I don't do that. I asked you a question. I said, you went there for Germany, when they live for abroad, and our supreme leader, they there for abroad too. For more than 8 days, you won't tell me, say, you not talk to your brother. You not call him, you not get connection with him. Till today, Biafran see they wait for you, may you can't answer that question. Why you never answer that question? Why they come out with the video of money or no money? And who make you a spokesman? Who make you a spokesman to come and speak about money when they eat or when they not eat? Who make you a spokesman to they speak about money when they not eat or when they eat or when they not eat? Or who they're supposed to pay money or they're not supposed to pay money? Or about account or no account? Who make you a spokesman? You are supposed to be in grief. You are supposed to be thinking about the release of your dear brother. The question that was thrown out to you in that place, where and how did our supreme leader got missing and you were not aware? You were not able to answer the question. You go Matanga channel television, go the talk story of how Matanga, how Kanyanta be whatever be the father name, go Biafra and they give and you were saying things out of circle, out of God. I just quiet, say, let the sleepy dog lie. But this video where you do, if I keep quiet, my son not go rest in peace. My body not go quiet. Because as it is, so there are the sisters of people on the beating more than on a catchu. The last time I checked, Biafra struggle is not family business. For the fact that our supreme leader brother do not meet you to come outside, or what you want to talk now, then we can change how we they see, or the picture, the real picture where we they see about anybody or about this, the present situation on ground. Your video, you know hold water. Those speech when you give, you know hold water. You know hold water at all. Are they very disappointed to see say na money issue now you call the fight for. Our leader never even spend 1 month for prison for detention. You dare they talk about money. Up until now, because I carefully listen to that video when you make, up until now, all of us know say, wetin be this man name? Dr. Okoro, the criminal in the USA, has been removed from national coordinator in the USA. Dr. Okoro went ahead as a ceremonial intercontinental rep, not continental rep, what is the position where they give as a ceremonial continental rep in that place, without the consent of DOS, without the consent of anybody. He created a GoFundMe. He created a GoFundMe, just like what Obidio Obienu was doing. He went to Radio Biafra to announce the GoFundMe. Without the consent of DOS, without the consent of anybody. Our Supreme Leader have made it clear, time without number. I do not want any man in IPOB to handle the affair of money. Why is it that those of you in the leadership, some of you, I'm not talking about head of directorate. If head of directorate see John now, if I find out say see John now, the John now they do what they do, I'll call your court talker. Nothing go happen. Nothing go happen, eh? But for now, head of directorate I be doing his very best to make sure say everything is going to work out amicably as it's supposed to work out. Everybody know that Dr. Okoro is a criminal. Everybody know that Dr. Okoro is a criminal, and he was removed from his position as a national coordinator when USA was not divided into 4 places. The concern of these people is not how our Supreme Leader will be released, because a majority of them who are in this cabal, in this circle of these people, when they address so, their own wish and their own belief, or their own greater that they believe for their mind, say our Supreme Leader not go come out alive. Probably he will be killed in Kenya. But it's very shocking to them, because he say our Supreme Leader, they alive, is very much alive. They are not running after scatter. Where on earth, where the whereabouts of our Supreme Leader is our number 1 priority this today, and the people who we are supposed to rely on as elder and people we are supposed to rely on as elder and leaders, they are busy talking about money. They are busy talking about money. Okoro, you may go to open that GoFundMe. So now our leader say, "May you go open GoFundMe." Our leader give you the directive to go open GoFundMe when you go there announce for Radio Biafra. You will be thief. You will go there announce GoFundMe Radio for Biafra. At the verse because you Okoro and Co. Obidio Obienu na be the problem of USA. Obidio Obienu was managed to suspend or managed to remove from IPOB, but you see hard for under that place. They do the evil when they do for that place. You think we don't? I know your history for the past 3 years. For the past 3 years, through Daughters of Jezebel. And I'll be calling your name. Just that Biafra don't want to listen to me each time I'm mentioning your name, mentioning those of you who are criminals in IPOB, those of you who have chosen to be delaying our struggle. Some Biafran, they don't want to listen to me. They say, "Hey, you do the pepper body." But this Okoro have been stealing IPOB money. He has been doing whatever he has been doing in that place. Now he went already to announce GoFundMe. Who send you GoFundMe? Now DOS send you. Now DOS send you the GoFundMe. May you go create GoFundMe. Now DOS send you. Who can send you now? The GoFundMe. So who and who you want use the money to fund? Our leader send you. He send you. Then Kanuta now the letter they understand now say the only account where they are available now the one where you will be criminal creates, you will be thief creates. After this broke, I don't want anybody to call me. Oh, I'm mourning my brother. I don't want anybody to call me. Don't call me, please. I'm mourning my brother. I don't want to. I'm very angry. Okoro, you will be thief. You go to open GoFundMe. You go to open GoFundMe. Who authorized you to go to open that GoFundMe? Who authorized you? Who authorized you to go to open GoFundMe? When Kanuta they tell you say the only account when they are available and the only one where you know now be the one when you will be criminal creates. Una the talk say our leader not get account or not create account. We not there yet when our leader mention account as national account in the USA. We come mentioning them as the account of Europe. We're going to collect all those things. Central account to ESN is in the USA. We deaf when our leader they mention those things. We are not deaf. We are not kids. Our brains they function very well. You cannot come outside how you have been doing for the past how many years. They say IPOB treatment. Come outside, come do 2 videos, come they debunk waiting there for that place. Thinking say you can't put beret, put Biafran beret for it, can't put this thing, because that for call they address us in that manner, call they put money first. We want to hear about the release of our supreme leader. The second speech when they come out for you now to call they fight or they join people when they fight for money. Are you part of Kanuta? Are you part of money financial department? Are you part of it? Are you part of financial department? If I not see who thought on, I'm not gonna stay for one place. Men will know the people when they do what they do, won't go know how to face. Not gonna jump up and down. Now cover people face. Not gonna jump up and down. Now cover people face. Make sure to not come outside. That is in charge of your Europe money. When it concern money what they do for USA. When our leader they talk and say, let everybody eye they reach what they do for that. It consult you, tell you say Kanuta, your eye go they reach out to. He mention your name. I will use this opportunity today to tell every one of you now. If you are in any position in IPOB, because I respect all IPOB principal officers except Okoro and his co-authors. Every IPOB principal officer to the level of secretary in any country, in anywhere you are, I respect you and I dey loyal to now. But you see those individual people like the Okoro and Co in the USA and in Germany, I don't hold you any respect. I don't hold you any respect. I don't hold you any liberty. I can come here anytime and say whatever I want to say to you because you don't deserve a single respect from anybody. You are greedy, you are selfish, you are wicked, those of you are saboteurs. Enough of it. Everybody should stay on their lane. Everybody cannot be wrong at a time. Our finger has been pointing towards Indenanya. Everybody cannot be wrong at the same time. Everybody cannot be wrong at the same time. And this is not something that just started yesterday. This is something that has been on ground for many, many years. Everybody cannot be pointing hands at Indenanya at the same time. You can't be saying, she did right. No. The evidence of the account not being reported, the evidence when they come bring up for them, I didn't want to debunk and Kanuta. How I wanted debunk and I say, truly, that account was reported. The evidence is there. How are you going to debunk it now? How? I believe so. I'm going to face on my face for shame now. I believe so. Enough of it. People are hot. People are desperate to see our leader being released. That should be our number one priority. Not talking about money where you are not part of financial officers. Talking about money, how you think because you are our leader's brother, when you now come out in the defense of Indenanya, will not believe you. Who told you? Who told you that? No, who tell you? Make una stop her. This struggle is for freedom of everybody, not for individually. Stop it. Okoro don't have any right to go and be creating God for me. He don't have it. This how you have been manipulating some presenter on Radio Biafra. You have been manipulating that to be go and be announcing things in that place without the approval of DOS. Without the approval of DOS, all of you can go to Radio Biafra and say whatever you want to say, announce it whenever you want to announce it. That is why when the case of our dear brother Samuel Ekpa come aside, I never want to choke my mouth to talk about him because the matter guys they be for me. Because up until today, my people, all of us know say when any individual post news or announce something, we don't believe. Before we don't believe news, is either we see her for Radio Biafra page or it's being announced on